100, I'll do 100, $200 bill, 100, 150, 107, 07, 07, 07. Down on the bed, over here, to the 5 on the bed, over here, to the 5. From there to the here to the 50 to 5, here to the so far. He said it from the 50 to 5. Right now, I'm going to 2,000 down here, going to be 2, going to be 2, 22, now 5. Now 10, I'm going to be able to go 1 here, I'm going to go 2. And I got 25, and I got 5 here, I'm going to go 5, 2 here, 2,500. And I got 3, 3, I'm going to go 3 here. Number 300 here. Whatever, here's to those 3 guys, we got a John Deere. 35, 33 here, I'm going to go 5. I'm going to go 33, the business 33, man. 49, guys, 48,000. 49, good tractor, been around the unit, leathering loader on it, 49.5. 49,000, who give me 500? We'll go to a good cause, guys, and then Brian's going to double it. All right, 506. I get 500 to be able to get 600 down. I'm going to bid 7,000 bid, 11, 12. 7 here, I'm going to go 7 down. 3 grand, 31. I get 3, 1, and 2. 3,100 to be able to get 2. And I get 32. And I'm going to go 4 and a 5. No. All right, all done. Sold 3,400. And now we're going to sell it all over again. Donate it back again. 3rd time's a charm. Brindley auction 3,000. Donate it again. We're putting her back up again. What do you think, Jason? 500. 2, 3. 200 to be able to get 3. I get 200 to be able to get Tommy's in the lead. 200 back, 300. 200 to be able to get 3. 2, 3. Sold $200, Tommy. There's over 15,000 we raised here today, guys. So it's like, is that 30? Is that fair enough to say? Basically 30,000. Give yourselves a round of applause, guys. We thank you very much.
Just wanted to thank everyone that came today. We wanted to show off our dealership and our employees and our customer base. And it was a great day. Ended off well with that auction there for charity, and that's just what we want to be about. So just thank everyone that made this a big success. It was a little hard on the nerves for a little while, but honestly it turned out great. The day was awesome, so thanks to everyone that made it a great success. Thank you.
Yeah, Nick, thank you for everyone for their support today, and for all our local customers that came out to support us, and for the groups that for the minor hockey and our staff and all the people that helped put this event on today, and we appreciate all their help. Thank you.
The staff there were amazing. They're still out there working hard, and like I said, we really appreciate them. Thanks. Great job, guys.